Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's a question. Does a 5-star rating scale make sense for every product you sell? For a technical gadget, sure. For a candle? Maybe love it, it's fine, never again, does a better job. That's exactly what custom rating types in YayReviews are built for. You choose the format, you write the labels, and your customers get a review experience that actually fits the product. Let's walk through how it works. The very first step, install and activate the YayReviews Pro version. Then, from your WordPress dashboard, head over to YayReviews Settings. This is your control center for everything review-related in your WooCommerce store. To customize how ratings appear on the product pages, I'm going to click on Rating Types tab. Right away, you'll see 6 ready-to-use presets: stars, hearts, thumbs, faces, fire, and star emojis. These are built in, so you can apply one to your whole store in a single click. Want to use a preset as a starting point but tweak it your way? Just hit Duplicate, and you get your own editable copy without touching the original. Clean and safe. Running a beauty brand? Emojis feel fun and relatable. A premium store? A refined icon set keeps things polished. Now let's build something custom. Click Create New Type, give it a name, which is just for your internal reference, then pick a preset to start from, so you're not building from zero. Next, choose your number of levels: 2, 3, 4, or 5. Fewer levels keep things simple. More levels let customers get specific. It's your call. Then pick your display mode. Progressive mode fills icons one by one as the rating goes up, just like classic stars. Single mode shows only the selected icon, perfect for emoji-style reactions where each face means something different. You'll see a live preview update right in the settings as you make changes. No guessing. Now configure each rating level. For every level, you set 2 things. First, customize the icon. You can choose emoji for something expressive or SVG/image to upload your own custom graphic. Your logo, your illustrated characters, your brand assets, anything goes. Second, edit the label. Add a short description for each level, like terrible, all the way up to excellent. This helps customers instantly understand what they're choosing, instead of just guessing what 3 stars means. Once your rating type is ready, you can assign it globally to all products, or go granular and assign it to specific products or categories. Save your settings, visit a product page, and there it is, your custom rating, live on the review form, in the review list, and on the rating summary. Exactly on brand, exactly how you imagined it. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope this video helps you create more creative and branded review experiences using YayReviews. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out YayReviews for your WooCommerce store. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.